Hey guys, if you're new, hi, my name's Angel. Today I'm gonna be talking about all the many ways I get paid with Amazon. I will say, as a creator, Amazon has really stepped up its game. I've been making money with Amazon for years. To be honest, I've made well over this. I mean, and honestly, it's actually quite easy to do. Let me just say, this is like one of my favorite cups. This is the Beast. It keeps the water cold for like 12 hours. And like days like today when I'm filming a lot, I need cold water because, you know, I lose my voice and I do a lot of book filming. If you want it, I'll leave a link below. Y'all saw how I just did that, right? Easy, yeah. What I just did was I just told you guys about something that I love and know and use and gave you guys the link. So if you're interested in checking it out, that's an affiliate link. That's how easy it is to incorporate links, you guys. I really do love that cup, by the way, but what does that mean? If you go buy the product I'm recommending through the link that I give you, I get a commission from that. So I just answered, what is affiliate marketing? So it's recommending a product, and if someone clicks and buys through your link, you get a commission. It's like a thank you for advertising. It's called, in essence, an advertising fee. You advertise the product and influence somebody to buy that product or through your link. It doesn't necessarily have to be that product too. That's another caveat. But because of your advertising, you're getting a commission back as a thank you. That's pretty much how it works. So what is the Amazon Influencer Program? It's a way Amazon allows influencers to receive commissions when they send people to products that they recommend and the people buy. You know, think of it like a car salesman, right? A car salesman usually sells some type of brand cars. Let's just say a Lexus, right? They sell Lexus cars. They didn't go out and build it. They didn't make it. They had nothing to do with, of course, the creation of the car in itself. But if they sell that car that they did not make, they get a commission, you know, for advertising and pushing that product. So it's kind of the same way, if that helps you to understand the flow of affiliate marketing. You're recommending a product. You didn't make it. No, you didn't. But you've used it or you know it really well. And if someone buys it, you get a commission from it. You know, it's a thank you for pushing the product. So that answers the question of what is it? Second question I get a lot: how much can you make? That really depends, to be quite frank. And I know you probably hate that answer, but it is a very true answer. So with Amazon, you get different commission rates for different categories. So when you join the program, you'll get a rate sheet, and the rate sheet will break down what percentage you get for each category. You know, electronics or fashion or beauty. You know, you get the different commission rates. Know that rates do change and you have no control over that. However, if y'all knew it or not, Amazon do have special programs where you can get higher commission rates for certain products, which I'll discuss a little farther in the video, so keep watching. In answering this question of how long does it take to start generating income, y'all hate this answer. I know you're gonna hate it, but it depends. I will tell you this. I mean, most times it can take a while. Yes, you need to be consistent. Yes, you need to create useful content, and you definitely need to build a audience that trusts you. I didn't start generating a substantial income with affiliate marketing until about 2 years in, but that's not to say that will happen for everybody. It really depends on you and how much work you put in and how well you do it, and also how consistent you are and your following too. But with Amazon, commissions are paid out about 2 months after you generated the commissions. So for instance, if you generated $100 in commissions in March, the payout for that will be in May. So you do need to allow yourself a few months to start seeing consistent income from the program. So I'm gonna tell you guys all the many ways that I've gotten paid with Amazon as a creator and influencer. And a lot of you guys may not know this, you may or may not, so it probably be an eye-opener for some, but I get paid in a lot of ways from Amazon currently. As of today, shooting this video, I cannot speak if you're watching this video a year or 2 years from now, but as of today, this is just to give you guys insight. There are a number of ways to make money with Amazon, and I'm gonna share some of those ways. You can make money with Amazon Live, you guys. You can make money with your storefront. You can get paid with links, just random links. So let's say you put links in your YouTube video or links in your swipe ups. You can get paid commissions that way as well. If you become an Amazon live streamer and you move up to like a list status. You can get lots of bonuses too on top of that. They run random bonuses. I mean, there are some amazing bonuses too, you guys. I can't say because they do change up, but they offer lots of bonuses, and not just cheap bonuses. You can make a couple hundred extra here and there too for different things that you do. In addition, you can get like sponsored deals on live streams. I've gotten lots of sponsored deals, so that's another source of income that has come through just being on Amazon. And then, like I said earlier, they have special programs that are invite only, you guys. They are invite only, that's all I can say. But they are special programs that you can get like higher commission rates from, plus you can get like sponsored deals like to post on social media like Instagram or TikTok and stuff like that. So I know there's those programs that exist where you get paid actually more, plus you can get potentially sponsored deals. And then they also have this new way like video shorts, so you can get commissions through that too. So there are a ton of ways that you can get paid with Amazon as a creator. So your options are limitless. So I don't want to say there's no excuse, but honestly, if you're a creator, I don't care what you're creating about. You could be a photographer talking about cameras on YouTube. If you are not linking your cameras that you're recommending in your description box, you're losing out on money. So no matter what type of content you put out, if you are a chef and you're making, you know, recipe videos or recipe TikToks or whatever you're doing with food, link your stuff, link your utensils, link the products you're using, link everything, okay? And Amazon is one of the easiest ways you can link through. It's not the only, no, it's not. I can come back and talk about other programs too, but it is the easiest and quickest you can, and they are reputable. So I've been with them for years. Some of the other ones, I can't say they may last or they may be around, you know, 2-3 years down the line. Amazon's been around for a long time. I really don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. So it is one that I definitely recommend. Go ahead and becoming part of as a creator, and then you can find ways to make money with them. And there are a number. The options are limitless. Some stuff I can't tell you guys for just non-disclosure purposes, but I'm trying to give you guys as much information as possible. As a creator, it's another source of income, and as of right now, Amazon is really my number one source of income as a creator. Yes, I get paid more than I do from YouTube. Yes, I get paid more than I do from brand deals. I mean, it's literally my number one source of income as of today. I can't, again, speak for the future, you guys. Okay, don't hold me to that. I'm just telling you as of today, and it's working. So as a creator, I always tell you guys to be diversified. I've said this over and over. If you've heard it, I'm sorry, I'm saying it again. Be diversified as an influencer. Don't put all your eggs in one nest. Make sure you do have hands in different pots, because you don't know what to be around. Today, something may be popping. Like, you remember, MySpace was popping. I was on it too. But where is it today? Nowhere to be found, right? Okay, so you just never know what is going to be around, what's not. So be diversified. If you ask me, should you tap into Amazon as a creator and influencer? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, tap into that. Open that up, open that door, make that money while it's there. And if you're wondering how works it making money, the techniques I use to incorporate affiliate links and more information about that, I've actually created a workshop that you guys can check out. I'll link it in the description box. I do go more into detail. It's specifically meant for beginners, but even though anybody probably can benefit from it, or if you've been in the program and haven't tapped into like making money and stuff, I share a lot of my techniques in that workshop, so you guys can check that out. But there's how you can make money with Amazon as an influencer with their affiliate marketing program. Hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. I'll leave some videos here on screen that you guys can check out to learn more about making money as a creator. I'll see you guys in those videos.